Hello friends, welcome to our channel SV Creative Zone. So today we are going to tell you how to make small easy DIY craft. There are the 4 different cards we are going to tell you, and these are very easy to make and require less time. The material required for making these crafts are like chart paper, design paper, ribbon, glue, double tape, scissor, cutter and some decorative material. So let's begin with our first craft. Take a rectangular chart paper which size is up to 27 cm to 18 cm and fold this chart paper as per shown in the video. So here our first card is ready, which is very easy to make. Just you have to go on folding and your card is ready. So now let's begin with our second card. The second card is like a pull-up card. For that you require a chart paper which size is up to 7 cm to 9 cm. Take a scale and mark the line from both the side 3 cm. Then mark 1 cm from above and 1 cm from the down. Simultaneously mark onto the other side also 1 cm from up and 1 cm from down. Then join the point which have you marked. Then cut the middle portion as shown in the video. Then take the chart paper of any color of the same size paper, that is 7 cm to 9 cm, and stick this both the paper with the double tape. Then take another chart paper with sizes up to 5 cm to 8 cm. Then take small piece of a double tape and stick that to the middle card, and over that stick any emojis or a message which you want to give on your card. And here your second card is also ready. Now let's begin our third craft. So take a 14 centimeter paper and place a mark on it, 8 centimeter. Then draw the circle as shown in the video and cut them with the scissor. Then fold both the side of that paper as shown in the video. Then join both the corner of the paper and stick that corner with the glue. Take a small piece of paper which is 7 by 7 centimeter and punch a small hole to tie a ribbon. So here our third card is also ready. I hope it's very easy to make. Now let's begin with our fourth card. So the length of this card is 7 centimeter to 61 centimeter, and place a line or a marking up to 5 centimeter and fold them in a zigzag way as shown in the video. And then cut a small piece of paper with sizes up to 4 cm to 6 cm and stick that paper upon the long strip which we have been cut before. Then cut a small pieces of paper which size is up to 6 cm to 8 cm. And stick that both the paper on the front and the back side of our card as shown in the video, and decorate that paper with some design paper over it. Then cut a small strip of paper and stick both the end of the strip as shown in the video. So here our fourth card is also ready. Decorate your card with the stickers or any kind of material which is available with you. I would like to stick a simply butterfly to give a simple look to my card. I hope guys you have loved this DIY idea, and please share your experience with us. Thank you.